Meet Property Manager Pete. Among a long list of responsibilities, it's Pete's job to manage a portfolio of lifts. Needless to say, it can be stressful, time-consuming and expensive. Pete has a rough idea of what's needed to run his lift portfolio effectively, but he'll be the first to admit he's never too sure whether he's getting a good quality of service, honest advice or value for his money. All Pete really wants is a simplified, thoroughly checked, tidy and organised lift portfolio, and with ILECS he's managed to make that happen. Pete uses our OneVision service. OneVision is specifically designed to control the management of lift maintenance, associated reports and correspondence. It helps our clients, like Pete here, to understand and deal with the complex legislative, technical and economic issues relating to lifts. OneVision is a cloud-based information portal. You'll have your own login and live visibility of your entire portfolio online. What's better, the portal is mobile ready. With OneVision, you also get access to truly independent advice. Our dedicated expert team work directly with lift contractors, keeping you fully informed. They check what work needs to be done and make sure it's value for money. We handle call-outs and manage lift issues on your behalf. We understand that getting hold of the best person to deal with a maintenance request can be a challenge. So our OneVision team do the job for you and make sure it's done efficiently. OneVision provides you with a proactive approach to lift management. Our aim is to reduce your maintenance costs and think ahead to spot potential problems before they arise. This means you can rest easy, knowing your lift portfolio is in safe hands. So if you'd like to know more about how it all works, get in touch through our website and we'll sign you up for a free demo.